TEMMA STEMMA S Science T Technology.
Hi, this is week 11 and this is the claw experiment where we can build a claw like this. So we will need 2 paper cups like this. We will need some scissors, straw and tape. So we are going to take one of the paper cups and cut it so that it has claws like this. You can see we can cut it into this shape and then fold it in 2 places like this. And then we will get the straw through a hole in the bottom and then put it through, tape it, and it should stay. Then we can put the straw through a hole in the second cup and slide it through like this, and it should open as it comes out of the cup. So you can build it. We've already built one here, so let's put it to the test. Let's try and pick up some objects. So we have the earth. We can pick up the earth with this claw. Wow, look at that. It's in there, inside the claw. And then we can release it. Let's try again with Jupiter. Grab, and it has it there. So we can release it into the cup. Now let's try this big orange. Now this is heavy. But let's just see. Yes, we've got it. And now this can also go into the top. Now it will be very fun. Bye.